The universe is a place of endless wonders, with planets that stretch the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Among these strange and unthinkable worlds, some defy not only our understanding of planetary science but also common sense itself. These are the impossible planets, planets that, based on our knowledge, shouldn't exist or have characteristics that push the limits of physics. In this article, we will explore 5 such extraordinary planets, from molten hellscapes to planets that defy time itself, each an enigma in its own right. Kepler-78b is one of the most inhospitable places ever discovered. Located around 400 light-years away in the Cygnus constellation, this planet orbits its star so closely that its surface is likely a vast ocean of molten lava. Completing a full orbit in just 8.5 hours, Kepler-78b experiences a year in less than half a day. The proximity to its star results in scorching temperatures ranging from 2000 degrees Celsius to 2800 degrees Celsius, 3600 degrees Fahrenheit to 5000 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt rock and metal alike. What makes this planet even more of an anomaly is that it shouldn't exist according to current models of planet formation. With an orbit so tight, Kepler-78b should have been swallowed by its star long ago, yet there it remains, a baffling mystery for astronomers. The extreme heat also means that its atmosphere likely consists of vaporized rock, forming clouds that condense into rock rain, making Kepler-78b a true nightmare world. Equally bizarre is HD 189733b, a gas giant located 64 light-years away in the constellation Vulpecula. This planet may appear visually stunning with its deep azure blue color, but looks can be deceiving. The vibrant blue hue comes from silicate particles in its atmosphere, which scatter blue light. However, these same particles make up the planet's brutal weather system. Winds whip around at speeds of over 5,400 miles per hour, 8,700 kilometers per hour, carrying molten glass in their gusts. The glass rains sideways due to the extreme winds, turning the planet's atmosphere into a literal storm of sharp, deadly shards. Temperatures on this hot Jupiter reach around 1000 degrees Celsius, 1832 degrees Fahrenheit, making it another incredibly hostile world. HD 189733b is a place where survival is impossible, not only because of the intense heat but also due to the continuous bombardment of glass rainstorms that tear across its surface. Next, we have WASP-12b, a gas giant that is slowly being consumed by its star. Located about 1,400 light-years away in the constellation Auriga, this planet is incredibly close to its star, orbiting it in just over a day. The extreme gravitational pull from the star is gradually tearing the planet apart, stretching it into an egg shape rather than the usual spherical form. WASP-12b's atmosphere is being sucked away, creating a bridge of gas that flows directly into the star. Scientists estimate that within a few million years, the planet will be completely consumed. Its surface temperature hovers around 2,500 degrees Celsius, 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the hottest exoplanets discovered. What's even more astonishing is that WASP-12b absorbs almost all of the light from its star, reflecting back virtually none, making it as black as coal. This eerie darkness combined with the planet's doomed fate makes it one of the most chilling examples of planetary destruction we've observed. Moving from gas giants to rocky worlds, Gliese 581c is another impossible planet, but for entirely different reasons. Once hailed as a potentially habitable planet due to its position in the Goldilocks zone of its star, Gliese 581c turned out to be far less friendly to life upon closer examination. Located 20.4 light-years away in the constellation Libra, Gliese 581c is about 1.5 times the size of Earth, but its gravity is twice as strong. This intense gravity would make it incredibly difficult for any Earth-like life to survive, let alone thrive. Even walking would feel like carrying twice your body weight at all times. Additionally, Gliese 581c is likely tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet is permanently facing its star while the other side remains in perpetual darkness. The side facing the star would be scorched, while the dark side would be frozen solid. Only a narrow band between these two extremes might be temperate enough for life, but even then, the crushing gravity would make the planet uninhabitable. Finally, we come to PSR B16 2026b, a planet that is often referred to as the Methuselah planet due to its ancient age. At 12.7 billion years old, this planet is nearly as old as the universe itself. Located 12,400 light-years away in the constellation Scorpius, PSR B16 2026b orbits a binary star system consisting of a white dwarf and a pulsar, a type of neutron star. What makes this planet impossible is its sheer age and the fact that it has survived in such a hostile environment. Both the white dwarf and the pulsar are the remnants of stars that went supernova, which should have destroyed any nearby planets. Yet, PSR B16 2026b endures, orbiting two dead stars in a system bombarded with intense radiation. Its survival defies logic, as the extreme conditions should have stripped it of its atmosphere and obliterated any chance of life. But here it is, a cosmic relic from the dawn of time, still orbiting in its improbable existence. These 5 planets, Kepler-78b, HD 189733b, WASP-12b, Gliese 581c, and PSR B16 2026b, are prime examples of how the universe continuously surprises and confounds us. Each of these worlds breaks the rules of what we thought was possible, whether it's through their strange compositions, impossible environments, or sheer tenacity in defying the forces that should have destroyed them. They serve as reminders that while we may understand much about the cosmos, there is still so much that remains unknown. These impossible planets push us to question the limits of science and broaden our imaginations, reminding us that the universe is far stranger, and more fascinating, than we could ever have dreamed.